I put my leftovers in the microwave, set it for a minute, and stood there watching it spin like it was some kind of experiment. I don't know why, but there's always that small bit of suspense. Will it come out perfect this time?
Or will I regret my life again?
The beat goes off. I grab the plate and it feels normal.
Warm, not too hot. So I take a bite to instantly feel my soul leave my body. My tongue's on fire. I'm fanning my mouth like that's gonna help. I wait a second, take another bite, hoping it's better only to realize the middle's still frozen solid. The food survived both fire and ice, but I didn't.